Hi friends!
Ciao amici!
Today we're making a simple but absolutely delicious classic, the Caprese Sandwich, inspired by the famous Italian Caprese salad. This sandwich is fresh, colorful, and full of Mediterranean flavors. It's perfect for a quick lunch, picnic, or even a light dinner.
To prepare our sandwich, you'll need ciabatta bread, fresh burrata, cherry tomatoes, arugula, extra virgin olive oil, aromatic basil, pine nuts, garlic, and of course, salt and pepper. Let's begin with the cherry tomatoes. Place them on a tray, drizzle with olive oil and garlic, a sprinkle of salt and freshly ground pepper. Roast them in the oven until they are soft, sweet, and caramelized. While the tomatoes are roasting, let's prepare our pesto. In a blender, combine fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, salt, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. Blend until smooth and aromatic. This is the soul of our sandwich. Take a fresh ciabatta bread, slice it open, toast it in a pan with a little olive oil. Now, let's build our sandwich. Start by spreading a generous layer of pesto over warm ciabatta bread. Add a handful of peppery arugula, then place creamy burrata in the center. Top with the roasted cherry tomatoes, and finish with a drizzle of sweet balsamic glaze. Close the sandwich, press gently, and enjoy the layers of flavor, fresh and irresistibly Italian. And that's our Caprese sandwich. If you love Mediterranean flavors, subscribe and join us in our kitchen for more recipes made with love.